In this video, we're talking all about backlighting and how backlighting can take your videos to the next level. So let's get right into it. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and if you're new to this channel, then consider subscribing. So backlighting, what is it? Backlighting, quite simply, is just a lighting technique where a light is placed behind a subject. Now, the most common lighting setup that you probably would have heard of is 3-point lighting, and this is lighting consisting of 3 lights. So we have our key, we have our fill, and we have a light behind the person, and this is our backlight. Now, a backlight is really important in these situations because it really helps the subject stand out from the background. I'm filming this video with a 2-point lighting setup, so I have a key light over here on my left, or that screen right, and then I have a light just over here, and this is my backlight. Now, the backlight is adding a really nice and really soft light just around the side of my head here, and that's really making me pop out from the background. Now, look what happens when I turn this light off. So that is how the footage would look like without a backlight. I've taken off the backlight, and we've lost this nice little outline around the head. And because of this, I'm kind of blending into the background. And this would be even more evident if I turned off this light as well. So backlighting is a really important part of some different lighting setups, but backlighting can be used for its own purposes. Backlighting can be really cinematic, and I often use this technique when I'm filming music videos because it really helps to add a really cinematic and expensive look to the video. So let's say we're in a completely dark room. The room is pitch black. We're going to place a subject in front of the camera and we'll start rolling the camera. Obviously, we can't see anybody because it's pitch black. But if we place a light behind the subject, completely behind the subject, and we turn that on, we've got this really awesome silhouette effect happening. And this is one really awesome use of backlighting. Now, of course, with backlighting, you can use an LED light, which is a little bit softer, or you could use a big red headlight and throw a lot of light into the scene to make that silhouette really strong and really defined. But that is completely up to you. So the next time you're filming a project, you have a subject in front of camera, consider using a backlight to either make them stand out from the background, create a cinematic effect, or just create something really awesome that will look great on camera. So there you go. The backlight is a really important, a really fundamental part of basic lighting, but it can also take your productions to the next level when used creatively. So if you found this video useful at all, then please do let me know in that comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, check out that previous video, and I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. Thank you for watching.